cheating. It's a cheating robot. But it's a cheating robot for a purpose. The video was created by a robotics laboratory at the University of Tokyo, and the robot always wins. It wins because it's watching what the human chooses, and within a millisecond responding with the winning choice. So the video has 2.4 million video views now over the past week, and it spread a little slowly. It wasn't something that took off right away. It was picked up by a couple of technology websites. It hit Yahoo, and it really took off. Yahoo's added about 250,000 of those video views. It spread across that large community across many different countries, and that's what's interesting about this particular video. Rock, paper, scissors is not a Western game. It actually comes from the Han Dynasty in China, and we've only adapted it really in the past century as the British started to see the game in Japan and China, because it became very popular in Japan several centuries ago as well. That's when the spread happened. In fact, a judge used it in 2006 to solve a motion dispute that was going on and on. A judge decreed that they were going to go out to the front of the courthouse on the steps and have a rock, paper, scissors contest to decide who would win that motion. It's showing the robot's ability to respond to human input very quickly. And that's important because with robotics, and as robotics become more common in our everyday life, it's important that the interaction between a human being and a robot is as natural as possible. And part of that is the robotic response being, fairly close to a human response in time. Right now, when you talk to a machine, it has to process, and that feels somewhat unnatural. Of course, a choice in rock, paper, scissors is fairly easy. There are 3 factors, and then there's a factor output that you create based on that input. The more anthropomorphized robots can get, the more comfortable we'll be around them. And that ability to respond to us is a really important part of that, and that's really what this research is about.